So this is how my pool filler comes right out of the box. Before we install it, we're going to want to take the top off, Velcro, so it just comes off nice and easy. And set that on the edge of the pool. And now decide where you want it to go on your pool. Once you've decided where you want it to go on your pool, you're going to want to clean the underside of your rail. You can moisten it and just wipe it down nice and clean so you get a dust-free, dirt-free surface. And you can see it's just kind of picking up a little bit of dirt. It is the underside, so it shouldn't be that dirty. Now once you have that, you've decided where you want it to go, just take my pool filler and put it over the edge. Now, included in the box, you're going to find 4 of these little hook adapters that they're just press on. We give you 2 for the initial install, and there's 2 more in case you want to move it. So once you've done that, you can see about how far apart they are. Just take these off and press them on the underside about the equal distance, right about where your straps are. Okay? And then take your straps and just attach it. Okay? Nice and snug, it's not going anywhere. The next thing we're going to need to do is adjust the valve. Well, we'll adjust the valve after we install the garden hose. Make sure the washer's in there. I should have told you that before. We installed the washer for you. It should be in there, but just check. And just turn it on nice and easily. Make it snug. Just want to compress that washer. Now it's ready to go. All we have to do is turn the water on and adjust it. Mike's going to move over to the other side so you can see how I make the adjustment. So now we're ready to adjust it. We want to turn the water on. And as we turn the water on, we can see that it's coming out. So we just loosen the wing nut here, push it down a little bit into the water. It's not deep enough, so we want it shut off. Make it a little deeper. And just keep making your adjustments. Push it down in the water until it stops. Now it's going to hold your water at this level permanently. Take the cap, put it on, and your installation is complete. The only other thing I would do is just readjust your spigot opening so it's just cracked, maybe an 1/8 or 1/4 of a turn. It doesn't need much, and you're ready to go. That's how simple it is.